Greetings, wildlife aficionados. Today, we embark on a journey into the mesmerizing realm of big cats and their extraordinary vocal expressions. This is Roars and Whispers, unveiling the sonic palette of big cats. Remember to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more captivating wildlife content. Let's dive right in. Lion's roar. Our first majestic sound comes from the king of the jungle, the lion's roar. Known for its powerful and resonant nature, a lion's roar can be heard up to 5 miles away, making it an unmistakable call in the savannah. Next, we encounter the mysterious tiger and its unique chuffing sound. Tigers employ chuffing as a friendly greeting or a sign of contentment, presenting a softer and less imposing vocalization compared to their thunderous roars. Moving forward, the fastest land animal, the cheetah, surprises us with its gentle purring sound. While not as commanding as roars, the cheetah's purr serves as a subtle means of communication, often heard during grooming or between a mother and her cubs. Venturing into the mysterious world of leopards, we discover the sawing call, a distinctive vocalization resembling the sound of sawing wood. Leopards utilize this to mark territory and communicate with potential mates. Journeying to the rainforests of South America, we encounter the jaguar's Hyuking sound. Described as a series of cough-like calls, this vocalization facilitates communication between jaguars within the dense vegetation. In the Americas, the cougar, also known as the puma or mountain lion, produces spine-chilling screams. These vocalizations are often linked to territory marking and mate attraction. Ascending to the heights of Central Asia, the elusive snow leopard communicates through a combination of chuffing and mewing sounds. These softer vocalizations help them navigate the rugged terrain and stay connected with fellow snow leopards. Venturing into northern regions, the lynx's yowls cut through the tranquil forests. These unique vocalizations are vital for communication during the breeding season and territorial establishment. Exploring lesser-known species, the African golden cat surprises us with its mew calling. This small wildcat employs these sounds for communication within its dense rainforest habitat. Last but not least, the caracal adds a unique touch with its barking sound. Often heard during social interactions or territorial disputes, the caracal's bark is a fascinating aspect of its vocal repertoire. And there you have it, a captivating symphony of sounds from the big cat realm. Which sound resonated with you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Like and subscribe for more wildlife wonders. Until next time, stay wild with roars and whispers, unveiling the sonic palette of big cats.